Hello students, this is a quick reminder on how to use the Countif command on Excel. So let's say we would like to know how many adults answered level 1 for the scale that you gave in the survey. So we will start any command on Excel with an equal sign, and then it was Countif command, open bracket. Now you see here how you can type the rest of the command. You need the range, so the column where the data is. So let's have a look. Adult, and this was about opinion on how well the German government handled the pandemic. So here is the column. You can now highlight all this column for adult. So we can scroll down until where the adult answers end. Or you can also actually type the beginning and the end of the cell number. So for instance, we start from this cell, which is cell E2. So E2, this is the beginning of the cell. And we go up to cell E82, E82. So then now if you go back to the command, so we have already here, see there, Countif bracket E2 up to E82, and then we have to use this semicolon, and the criteria is the adults that answered 1 for a scale. So you can actually just click this cell here, W5, where you write down 1 as the scale that they have chosen. And then you have to close the bracket and press enter. So in this case, you see that there were 4 adults who answered scale 1. So the nice thing about Excel is the moment you typed the formula already, you can actually copy it. So then if we go to the corner here with the black plus sign, you can just drag it down, and this has copied the formula for you. However, we have to be very careful. Let's check first whether this is correct. So here you see there is something which is not right in this case, because it started from cell E3 to E83. Meanwhile, it was actually E2 to E82. And then the criteria W6, so W6, that's correct. That's the adults that answered 2, okay? So then let's just press enter one more time here. And this should be correct then. You see, the column started from E2 to E82. Okay, and W6 is this cell where you actually have 2 as your opinion scale. Okay, so for the students, of course, it's similar comment, equal, count, if, and then bracket. And then for the range, you will have to start from, let's have a look. The adult was E up to E82. So then right afterwards, you have the student's answer. So the student's answer were starting from E83 up to here. We can drag it down, or when you are dragging it down, do you see there? Automatically Excel, have a look here. Automatically Excel will type up to which column that is, see, E100, E101, and so on. So let's have a look until which cell the student's answers are. So here is E178. E178, you see there. And then the only thing we have to do is to put semicolon, and it was cell W5 for answer scale 1. So when I press enter here, so W5 is the criteria, students who answered 1, and the column started from E83 to E178. And in that column, students' answers, there were 3 people who answered scale 1. All right, so good luck with your own frequency table and making the double bar chart later on. Have fun!